me, as it is now, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is incapacitated right now. I think Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and his cabal, they are on the run now because they see that movement. Peter Obi went to Abdul Salami, the rest of them, Babangida, the rest of them, they are queuing behind the Peter Obi now. And as I speak to you, it's like President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and his cabinet, they are afraid because people the Northerners right now, they are not happy with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the way things are going. Even the Southwest here, majority of people are pulled out of Bola Ahmed Tinubu because people are feeling that it has never been worse in the history of Nigeria like this before. You take the same method you rule Lagos that you say you build Lagos, why don't you destroy Lagos, you take it to federal. As I speak to you this morning now, toll gate now, they want to implement it this morning with this hardship Nigeria is facing. So if you are in the shoe of people, you want to feel back. So even the Biafrans now right now, they are jubilating because they won Nigeria ahead of this thing. They saw it coming, but they put speed on their face that just because of Peter Obi came out, that's why Biafra refused to support them. It's not by that. Average Igbo man does not need power if everything is good. Since 2015 is when Igbo people started championing for power. See, before 2025, we have how many two decades democracy where Igbo is not the president. They didn't feel it. As I speak to you, Igbos are still the richest in Nigeria. The richest tribe in Africa. They are not moved because God has given them the talent to succeed in life. But the moment Tinubu and the Buhari gang got, and Tinubu brought Buhari came and bring destruction to Nigeria. Thinking that he's destroying the Igbo people, or knowing to him that he is destroying the entire Nigeria. Because anything that you do to Igbo will definitely affect the whole Nigeria. And that's what we are facing. We see the policy Buhari brought in 2015 just to make sure he weakened the Igbo because of the hatred he has to that tribe. That is the major reason why he went ahead and go and kidnap Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya and bring him to Nigeria. Because he wants by all means to make sure Igbo did not rise. But you cannot fight whom God has chosen. Mind you, many people that watch this broadcast or this video, I'm not an Igbo, but I stand for justice. I stand for fairness. Before now, the Fulani, Hausa will tell you Fulani are their brother, but as I speak to you now, Hausa are denying Fulani right now. They are not my brother. We, the MiddleBelt, we feel that the Hausas, the Fulani, we are together before. Right now, the MiddleBelt, they are crying that they want to go on their own. As I speak to you now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Samuel Ekpan that have been kidnapped, that have been picked by Nigeria, they think they are the problem in Nigeria. Yet, killing is still going on in Nigeria. Killing did not stop. As I just speak to you now, what happened in Boy now has signified, has justified that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Samuel Ekpan are fighting for Biafra land. They are not killing anybody in Biafra land. Killing that is going on now is being perpetrated by the Fulanis. As I speak to you, allegedly, that since the Finland stopped Samuel Ekpan not to treat or not to communicate, they were jubilation in Asoro. That's why you see the Fulani now, they have the full power to enter Southeast and be doing the needful because they know that the governors will not talk. As the people used to say that most of the governors there are imposted by the Fulani headmen. And yet you can see they are not talking. Even in Yoruba land is happening. Yesterday, the information getting to me that under Buhari, not information. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the prophet, said it. I have the video. That Buhari government released 100 billion for Meiti Allah to come to Southwest to come and buy the leaders of Southwest. And that's why you see today Sharia law that are being forced on Yoruba land. The leaders, hardly you see any leaders in Southwest now to stand up and speak the truth. Why? Because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu exposed them that they've collected money from Fulani headmen. That's why they cannot talk. This is the anger. This is the hatred they have for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They don't want that young man to come out. Even when the court of the land, Supreme Court have said that the way they bring that young man to Nigeria is bad. But as I speak to you, the Fulanis and the Hausas, they are afraid because the day Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will come out from the DSS, Biafra will be declared. As I speak to you, I said it again repeatedly, without any fear of anybody. I'm not an Igbo man, I am MiddleBelt. As it is, the Bible says if the foundation is being destroyed, what can the righteous do? The righteous have to destroy the foundation and start building the foundation. The foundation of Nigeria is being destroyed. What Nigeria needs to do, destroy this foundation. Let everybody go on their own separate way and build their foundation to their taste. Because this is faulty foundation. This is criminality foundations. A lot of Nigerians, not even alone, the MiddleBelt, the Southwest, people are tired. This is the reason why you see a medical doctor travel from Nigeria to go and do caregiver in abroad. It has never worked to this extent. Yesterday, weep for this country. Nigeria police retirement 2 million naira for Nigeria police for 35 years, where a week allowance of senator will pay 35 years of civil servant in Nigeria. How do you run that kind of country? And you see people who are agitating, they want to go on their own. You say it's a criminal offense. It is not only the Igbo that are agitating in the world. Even the vice president of Nigeria, Chetima, went to UN and tell them that Israel should leave Gaza
and
that they have every right to be on their own. If you can say that, maybe probably because they are practicing the same religion with you, why are you now criticizing the Igbo that the Igbo does not have the right to go on their own? And you say people should not agitate to go their own? Is Igbo region not right to have international airport? Is Igbo region not have the right to have a seaport in that region? As I speak to you, the dominary of Lagos State today, Ipogo, if there is seaport in Southeast, international port, you hardly see any Igbo man in Lagos. They are playing politics with it. They know that the day they give Igbo man a seaport, international airport, Lagos will be empty. That's why they can never do this thing to Igbo land. And here young man come out, say this injustice, the Moses of Igbo time, say they will never allow it, and you keep that man under detention. So I'm ashamed for Nigeria. Truth of the matter is that we thought by keeping Mazin and the Khan under the custody of DSS, the prime minister will not to speak, the security of Nigeria will be calm. Everywhere there will be peace in Nigeria. But is there peace? Last 2 weeks ago, we saw it one army commander were being bought in Borno State, slaughtered. And of course, the number is increasing now in the Ebonyi State. I saw yesterday, I nearly wept, where you see these choosing members with their aprons, we lie down lifelessly on the floor. As I speak to you now, the governors of South, none of them are speaking. They are telling you that they have to wait, that the government will do the needful. Are we going to wait until these Fulani headmen finish everybody before they will take action? So that is it, my dear brother. So the issue of declaring IPOB a terrorist, I am highly disappointed in President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That's why I'm not worried, because it is that Tinubu is gradually losing it, according to the question you asked me. Now, because of maybe probably he want to play politics, he allowed the court to declare IPOB a terrorist. Now the North you are trying to please, they are not with you.
Yes, they said they want to impeach him. And his wife ran to IBB and Abu Salami to seek, and I think they will reject him.
Tinubu deserves to be impeached because the suffering in the land is too much. People cannot, even in Yoruba people now, they are crying. Look at the rate the Yorubas are selling their property. Are you not seeing something dangerous? As I speak to you, in next election 2023, if there is fair election, Tinubu will not get 10% in Lagos. Because I speak to you, most of Yorubas have sold all their property in Lagos. The strangers that have houses in Lagos. So where will the people will leave the bush and be coming to vote for him? That is the major reason why he lose 2023 election. Because the people that are supposed to vote for him, they are not in town. They have sold their property, their father live for them. They have sold it to strangers. So as we are saying, Tinubu as it is stand is one leg stand, and they might kick him out. They'll kick him out. I think it's with the military. That's why he put on his brother. The same thing Buhari did. I told Philip Channel this morning. I said APC are Fulani party, because the reason why many people did not vote for Atiku Abubakar, who for me will be a better option than this Tinubu. People felt that the calamity Buhari brought in 8 years cannot be easily forgotten. That we cannot allow any Fulani again to take over from Buhari. You know, during the time of Buhari, headmen will come into their farm, they will kill the person, they will rape the person's wife, they will do all manner of things. By the time police arrest, in 2 minutes, they will call, they will release the Fulani. It was during Buhari, this APC government, we see Fulani starting here holding AK-47. Under PDP government, they hold their stick, controlling their cows. But when APC government came, with the help of this Tinubu and Buhari, they took Nigeria backward and destroy our democracy that we are managing. As I speak to you today, help me have license to AK-47. terrorizing Nigerians. And you keep quiet as a president. What else does President Bola Ahmed Tinubu want? For me, he's the most supported president in Nigeria because people supported him. The Hausa supported him. The Yoruba supported him. Few Igbo supported him, but he failed to do the duty. The Minister of Defense, Christopher Musa, told him the problem of the nation. He said Hausa and Fulani are the problem. They are fighting themselves. Fulani are the one causing the head. Does the Buhari Tinubu have the guts to talk to the Fulani? Come! How will you come into somebody's land and kill the person? Tinubu is not a sincere man. Tinubu is a sincere man. By now he will have released Mazen Amdekano. Because you should have known that that young man is fighting for his people. Does he want what the Fulani headmen have done Benue to? What they have done Plateau to? For headmen to turn to the southeast to
up till now.
For God to choose Mazen Amdekano to stand in the gap for his
and expose them.
If Tinubu is crucifying Mazen Amdekano, let him crucify Boho, because Boho too stood when Fulani attacked their main man in Oyo, there, Buhari. The young man said, I cannot. And what happened? Buhari also went for his life, to take his life. Thank God he himself equipped himself. The Africa, this thing have, he escaped. To the extent that he used fake passport run to Sebe border before Sebe people caught him. But today, we thank God, the Southwest leader, they stood. And they helped that young man. The young man got the food up. What Mazen Amdekano, was it different from what he did? Was it not because of the injustice that has been doing to Igbos that Mazen Amdekano stand for? So for me, Tinubu cannot save himself because he has already shoot himself on the leg. As I speak to you now, Tinubu is only standing alone. Nobody, no tribe is standing with him. Even the Yoruba people are not standing with him.